In the next couple minutes, I'm going to show you how to make a bionic vision board. Now, if you're like me, you already believe in the power of vision, and hopefully you've done something cool where you've made this stuff on Canva. But this is only with you in your office. What if every single time you lifted up your phone, it gave you a reminder of your beautiful vision, the one that you were seeking to bring to this planet? That, my friend, allows you to feel it all the time. It allows you to have a bionic vision. And so we're going to show you how to turn individual parts of your vision board into amazing screensavers that shuffle throughout your day. Step one of you having a bionic vision board is already having done it on Canva. So if you haven't done something really cool where you turn your vision board into a poster that can be printed and it's beautiful and it's inspiring, well, go ahead and use the link below to do that. That's step one. Once you have that, that's going to make this next phase super easy. We're just going to turn this into multiple phone screens. And so all we have to do is you open up, go into Canva, open up your vision board document. Now I have lots and lots of them from years past. And so what I want you to do, just hit the resize button. I don't remember the size of this, so I'm just going to type in up here, iPhone wallpaper. All right, so we're gonna choose that. And what we want to do is, I don't want to resize the design. I'm going to hit copy and resize. So now I have an iPhone size for this as well. I'm just going to open my iPhone wallpaper here. And now you can see it's in the shape of a screen. Now you could just go ahead and take your whole vision board and put it on there, but that is not how we do things. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take elements of this and we're going to make each of those elements its own screensaver or its own photo. So the goal is, if you can imagine, you want multiple photos. So every time you pick up your phone, it's a new part of your vision. So here's what we do. I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to delete everything on here except for one of my goals. And that's this one. It's funny. I'll get rid of that. And then that's my son helping me to get 2,000 people subscribed on YouTube. So there you go. That's one of my screens. What do? I go back in here. I'm going to copy this again. And you know what? I want my first 100 enrollees into the School of Professional Design. So I'm going to delete everything else on here. So I've got these two. Finally, I'll do one where it's the treasure bringer. And that's one of my goals to do, is to speak more and to bring this little treasure chest into places. Funny enough, that kind of weird. So there we go. Boom, boom. And you know what? I'll move this down here, this right there. I guess I want to keep the gift thing. I'll keep the treasure chest as a big deal. Treasure bringer. And then I just go here. And maybe I want to make that bigger. Maybe I'll put that into alignment. And there you go. So that'll be one of my screens. So now that you have all of your pictures reframed and redone, all you have to do is go up here and hit the share button. And we're going to download. You can do these in PNG or you can do them in JPEG. JPEG is enough. It's smaller file size. And it's automatically going to be set to all pages instead of all pages. We're going to unselect all pages. And we're going to go to the ones that we know we just now created. And so those are the ones that I created. I'm going to hit done. It's going to download in a zip file. You're going to click on the zip file and open that up. So on a Mac, that shows up here somewhere. However you unzip your files, you get to unzip your files. Okay, so however it is, you get them to your phone, put them into your photo roll or your camera roll. So I'm doing that to mine right now. All right, now I'm going to show you the magic. It's really just how you make a new screensaver with alternating images on your iPhone. Let's take a quick look. So once you have your photos uploaded into your iPhone, now all we're going to need to do, just make sure that those are there. Now we're going to go into your settings. That's that little gear thing. So find the little gear thing, open it up, and we are going to scroll down to wallpaper. Once you have wallpaper, we're going to do, you can click on that, or you can just hit add new wallpaper. From there, on the top, you're going to choose Photo Shuffle. That's the one you want. And instead of going with what they have there, we're going to scroll to the bottom and select Photos manually. And it starts out with feature. We want to go to All. And there, you're going to notice you have access to all of the ones that you just now created. So select those. Now hit Add. And you're not quite done yet. There's one more magic thing that you need to do. Where you see, now you can create different varieties of that, different duotone, color wash, black and white, natural. I'm going to click on the little three dots there. I like mine to not, you can change it and shuffle the photos or the inspirational images daily. hourly, every time your phone locks or every time you tap it. I'm going to do on phone. Actually, I'm going to do it on tap. And so now we've got that. And all we have to do now is just hit add. And then we're going to save this and use this. I like to set as wallpaper pair, sure. And then we are going, this is our current wallpaper. So now here's what you get. Every time you look at your phone, something new for you to feel. Now, my final challenge is pick up that phone and every time you see one of those little vision images, feel it. Hold that feeling for just 3 seconds, then move on with whatever it was you were doing. Hope this helps.